this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw a circle on your videos in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. So drawing shapes such as circles, it is very much simple. All you need to do is to add your video on your timeline, like I've just done it in my Filmora video editing tool, and then come to this tool here. We have a symbol here called drawing tools. If you zoom it, you can see we have an arrow down below it. If you click on it, it will expose various shapes that you can draw. Among them is a circle or called ellipse, and if you click on it, you will have selected that shape, and you can see it has been selected when you see this shape here. Now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and draw the circle shape on any spot that you wish on your video. So I like to draw my circle here, or my oval shape here at that spot, and you can now adjust it. Now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and adjust where you want this shape or triangle to run. If you just want it to run on a particular spot, make sure you just move it to that particular spot as you wish. You can elongate it or shorten it as you wish, and you can also fill it on the whole of your track. Alternatively, you can also go ahead and make some adjustments on your shape. For instance, if you want the circle to be transparent such that we only have a borderline, you can make this adjustment using this edit button here. If you click on this, it will go ahead and open editing options. From this editing option, scroll down, and if you want it to have a transparent background, just go ahead and toggle off this fill. You can see currently fill is on. If you don't want, you can just remove it, and you can see now we just have a white borderline and the fill has been removed. However, if you want to remain with the fill color but adjust the transparency or opacity, you can still add the fill but change the fill color if you wish to make any change on this. And if you want to make it maybe a little bit transparent, you can use the opacity function here or tool here to adjust the opacity of this fill as you wish, and you can see the more you adjust, it will be applied. The next thing you may want to do is to go ahead and change the borderline, or you want to go ahead and make it thicker. So for instance, if I remove this fill and just remain with the borderline so that you can highlight it and see it better, if you click on border here, this will go ahead and give various options or various adjustments we can make to our borderline, and among them is to thicken it. So if you want it to be much thicker, you can increase this fill on the thickness line. You can also go ahead and change the thickness line. You can see currently it is white. If you wish to make a change on this, you can just do so by choosing the appropriate color. So that's how you can draw a circle on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.